Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here to pick the giveaway winners, two winners from the sale I had. If you bought something, you are entered in this little container. So first person is Sweetheart. I'm just going to fold your names up. Your prize will be in with all your goodies that you purchased. Jody. I want to thank each and every one of you that stopped by and checked out my popped up sale and bought some stuff. Oops. Shelly. Figured I'd do this and get this out of the way right away. And instead of waiting until after, I figured, nope, I'll do it now. Nadia. Katie. Barbara. Tammy. And Brenda. The names are all in this little container. And we'll put that to the side. Still see it. You know what I mean? Showing you what you win. So I added. So you got these adhesive rub-ons. This one says Blast. It looks like that. And then this one is the hearts. Looks like that. You get these 6 pieces in there, little ladybugs, and I think that's a butterfly. I could be wrong. Some journaling cards. A funky pen. And I do believe they work. Oh, it helped if it's got a lever up on top there, somehow. Yeah, yep. Nadia donated those back, so I threw them in some of my ATC cards with my backgrounds. And then in this one, it's this journal. Like I said, I did not make these. So whoever wins this, I hope you enjoy it. I don't remember who did it. It's been so long that I've been storing it. And like I said, I just thought I'd give it away. And that person who wins it, I hope you enjoy it. It's kind of Christmassy. Love it. Very pretty. All through. You all seen it this earlier. So I love making them. I just don't use these kind of journals to write in, I'll be honest, or store stuff in. So maybe the person that wins it, I'll give it a better home than, you know, I greatly appreciate it. So and it will be in your box of your stuff. And no, I haven't totaled everybody's up yet. I decided to do this first. So let's see who wins the first one. Good shake. Well, shaking up really good in there. Goodness. I had Scott ask me if I wanted this container. I took it. That was cool for storage. I was like, oh, what can I use? So I'm just going to go in. And I got my eyes closed. And pick one. see who the winner is. And the first winner is Sweetheart. You win this one. Congratulations, Sweetheart. All right, that's Sweetheart's. All right, the second one. Get some journaling cards. That's it. This one you get the butterflies, the hive, right? Yeah, kind of looks like that. And then this is another one with butterflies and the bird. Yep, this one. Okay. We got this pen. Same thing on the side. Oh, well. Ooh, this. I think there's different ones in here because I think there's multiple inks in here. So you feel around because I felt that. Yeah. There's a couple. If you go on the top, you can feel different ones. So I believe there's different multiple colors. I want to take apart to see. So the other ones like that too. And then some ATC cards in mine, like the other one. And this is this journal. And you do got pockets, just so you know. And flip outs. Like so. And out. Very pretty. Okay. Of course, a mixed media. APC takes that fun making them. Okay. Let's see who wins this one. Again. And once again, thank you, ladies, for shopping at my sale. Got my eyes closed. Only got one. Yep. Okay. And the winner is, let's see, who is the winner? Nadia! Congratulations, Nadia. You won this one. So, I will have your totals for you, ladies, in the next few days. I will work on them because there's so much. Alrighty? So look for an email from me. I will look for an email from you. Congratulations to both you ladies. Thanks again to all you ladies who came into my sale. Bye! As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.